Central Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Louisville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Allen, The Colony, Corinth, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, Prosper, Salina, Hickory Creek, Shady Shores, Crossroads, Hackberry, Hebron, Oak Point, Lakewood Village, and Lincoln Park. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 455 and 459. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.